I don't understand. No, you were telling me what was the great idea you just had, and you were telling me over there. Can you please tell me again?
No, enough. Hey, we hold this line. You should hold white color, peach color, salmon color.
No. You were saying me that you and the teacher went to the market,
Yeah.
and
Wait. We can make 7. When one black, one white, one peach, one red colors, and we can make it. And it look like perfect. We can say, "Teacher, I have gift for you," and I said, "Teacher, close your eyes." He can close, and teacher said, "Open your hands." Said, "Wow, perfect."
Really? Teacher said that? Okay, teacher is good. And then now when you go to tuition tomorrow again, daddy will give you how many colors I said I gave you? Slime colors?
Uh,
How many colors there are in a rainbow?
White, peach.
No,
black.
you tell me how many colors there are in a rainbow?
7 color.
Yeah, okay. I'll give you 7 slimes tomorrow.
Wait.
And you can go to let me finish. Why don't you let me
Mama,
finish,
wait,
John?
wait.
No, I will speak first, okay? I'll give you 7 colors of slimes,
Wait.
and you can take them to teacher.
And we also take white and peach and black. You should give me also.
White, black, and peach? Okay.
We can make it.
Yeah,
and
okay.
When we go to white and peach, and we can make white with a cloud, and make peach in the sun. We can make black and a white sun face, and we can make rainbow, and we can make white slime in the clouds, and I think it's going to be perfect.
Yeah, that is so perfect. I like how do you have so many beautiful new ideas in your mind? How do you do that?
But I was ready, teacher, and that's why I'm a brave girl.
You are brave and intelligent. You are also intelligent girl.
Yeah, and
You have great ideas.
Baba, when Allah gave teacher with his genie, now he gave me.
What? When? What?
I do great work. Teacher gave me GGs.
Oh, really? What kind of GGs?
Like this bubbles, and this one really nice GGs.
Okay.
And he gave me sad bubbles.
Okay.
And he works in the
He, excuse me, he?
Wait, I'll.
Your teacher is a he or she?
She.
She, okay.
Mama, I will do bubbles in my hand because there's germs.
Oh, the germs. Yeah. Okay, I got it.
I will not do it in my hand.
Yeah, okay. Then how will you do that?
And when she told show me, you should do something in the bubble, which the bubble have stickers, and you can put stickers, and stickers will be perfect.
Okay, our chai is ready. So should we?
Our chai.
Oh, the chai is only for daddy. Mama didn't bring chai for you.
But I can drink chai.
Why not? Why don't you drink chai?
Baba, wait, I like water. I only drink chai in the morning. First, let me drink water. Now I can drink chai in the morning.
Okay, you only drink chai in the morning once?
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you should drink rust. My rust, my use. When we eat all the rust, and then only when rust is left, and I just break this rust and give it to you.
Okay, I'll buy you a new packet of Russ. I will buy you a new packet of Russ.
I used to thank you. You say welcome.
Yeah, okay. You say thank you and I will say welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, John. Yeah.
That's great.
Okay.
We drink hot talking.
Yeah.
Mom.
You like talking to me?
Yeah. See, Baba, you know that?
What?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
hold your hand in the picture. Baba,
Uh-huh.
you should bring me a blue dress.
Why?
Because which girl can't take a blue dress? He's really perfect. He loves blue dress.
Okay, no problem. I can buy you a new dress. A blue one?
And I make her new dress. I make a new dress for cat girls.
Mm-hmm.
And we go to market and I just bought it with this one day, and he goes, run, hurry up. He open the door, and he said, make my dress for me, and I make it. It's done, and I said it's ready, and I buttoned right. He
Mm-hmm.
said it's happy, and
Mm-hmm.
I buttoned again. And
Mm-hmm.
he looked like beautiful.
Oh my God, really? That is so great. I like it. Okay, I promise you that I will buy you a new dress.
Ready.
Yeah, okay. I promise that I'll buy you a new blue dress. Okay? Are you
Okay.
happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I love you.
You should also make shoes for you should also make this one softy chapel for girl cat because it's clothed.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Which one I make? We make a beautiful shoe, and it's gonna be perfect. The
Hmm.
blue shoes also is
बस कर दो
perfect.
नीचे।
Yeah, what did mama say?
Enough talk. You say, Mama.
Yeah, that's it.
टिड्डी।
Okay, Dan, come, let's sleep. Bye.
But you didn't do nicely.
I was shooting a video of you. You want to say bye, guys, to your audience? Huh? Come on.
Bye, guys.